My name is Shri Krishna. Hope you're staying well and staying healthy. I'm an SRM IT 2020 batch pass out. I'm currently working at TCS as a system engineer. My current job responsibilities include managing various front-end applications written in Angular, Vue, React, and deploying them through Jenkins and drones, which are comprised of Linux environments. I'm currently holding certification of Red Hat Certified Architect Infrastructure, which comprises of 7 exams which are given over a period of 1 year, which I've completed them during my 3rd year of college. These exams include Red Hat System Administrator, System Engineer, Ansible Specialist, Virtualization Specialist, OpenStack Engineer, OpenShift Engineer, and JBoss Enterprise Applications. These certifications and knowledge not only helped me become a better candidate during my placement season, it also helped me bag multiple offers from multiple companies. It also helped me to perform better in my current job role. As therefore, I would suggest that when you're working through a corporate world, the Linux basics knowledge are taken for granted. Therefore, I would suggest to have a basic understanding of Linux before pursuing different domains of job specialities.